Let's go na. Mommy needs to work. Hailey, come here. Entrance, and then the stairs. This is so cozy. We have the kitchen and then we have this one. Going down to the garage and the washroom. And here you have the living room, dining, and then outside, backyard. So, ito na yung pinaka Airbnb namin. In one spot, I'm sitting sa dining. And then there's the kitchen, the living room. Tapos dun yung stairs. And we have a huge backyard. We have a huge backyard kung saan may mga squirrels. Squirrels of different sizes and colors. What do you want? Oh, let's go. What do you want? You want your dede? Put back. Okay, mommy will put back the camera.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. So ayun, today's our third day here in Canada. And the first 2 days, it's been parang kind of disorienting kaya hindi talaga ako nakaka-video ng maayos. But I tried to shoot or record some snippets to share with you. Ayun. The plan here in Canada would be, eto si Hailey. Say hi! Ayun, the idea kasi ng stay namin here sa Canada would be chill lang kasi we're visiting yung kapatid ko who's based here. And we're staying here for I think 5 days and before we go on our road trip to Seattle. Tapos sa Seattle, doon na yung exit point namin ni Hailey. And so far, ang nagawa pa lang namin was visit my mom's cousin and then we went to downtown Toronto. I will be visiting or will be meeting up with my friend Odessa. Tapos galing kaming Waterloo Park. Yun, as in, sobrang chill. It's not a tight itinerary. Kung ano lang maisipan namin gawin. So, nandito na kami sa mall. Actually, nakaikot na kami. And ngayon, nandito kami sa Walmart kasi naghahanap ako ng bottle cleanser brush and container ng milk ni Hailey. Tapos, ito na si Hailey. Hello. Well, hello. At syempre, wala kaming makita. Dito na kami sa food section. Sobrang ino-overthink kasi namin yung paghahanap. Syempre, marirealize namin, nasa baby section. Nasa baby section yung kailangan namin kasi pambata yung kailangan namin. So, ito yung mga options. May mga milk. Simulak. Baby food. Yan yung mga favorite ni Hailey before. Nung stinart ko siyang i-BLW. Tapos, ito. It's 4 for 12 Canadian dollars. So, roughly around 495 pesos. Tapos, binibenta siya sa Shopee at 300 something per ganito. Pero, mabibili mo siya dito for almost 495.
Ito ba ito?
Biscuit.
Also, walang lalagyan.
Ito yung favorite ng chips before. Ayan, si Gerber. Ayan. Pero ngayon, binabaunan ko siya ng mga naka-pouch na ganito para pag sawa na siya sa milk or kasi since traveling kami on the go, at least may sinisip-sip siya na may lasa and gusto naman niya yun. So, mostly fruits, ganyan. Para hindi ganun kakalat. Tapos ito, yan, mga veggies. Yan. Actually, nung nagpe-prepare ako ng gamit ni Hailey, kutsara daw. Nung nagpe-prepare ako ng gamit ni Hailey, nagbibilang ako ng stash niya. Naisip ko, okay lang na isa lang yung dalhin ko na diaper kasi apparently, ang daming options ng Pampers here. There ko. May Swaddlers, may Cruisers, tas meron pa ditong pang swim pants. Ayan. So, marami. Actually, marami pa doon sa side na yun. Unlike sa atin, sa Shopee na lang bumibili nung kanya na premium, pero actually, di ko sure kung phased out, pero wala na rin. So, nag-switch up na lang ako sa Rascal and Friends. Kasi nga, sensitive na yung ano niya sa material nung normal na Pampers. So, eto. So, ayan. Ang dami. Ang dami nilang options. So, meron pang overnights. May pure leak-proof. Siguro pag naubos, baka ito yung itry ko. $31 for 66 pieces. Mga ganyan. Sa atin, Coco Melon ang partner. Dito si Elmo, Sesame Street. Yeah. Yun, tapos na kami sa Walmart. Bumibili na lang kami ng merienda. It's currently 5 o'clock. Sobrang liwanag. At sleeping. Mukhang mahaba-haba na naman ang tulog nito. Ang binili namin is doon sa pretzels. So, we're just waiting. Parang nagkikrave ako ng milk tea pero I'm not sure. Kasi parang hindi ko sure yung kung makukuha ba yung hinahanap kong milk tea. Alam mo yun? So, ayun. We'll update you when we get home. So, nag-real fruit bubble tea, fruits, and pretzels. So, good morning! It's 4 a.m. 4:30. And gising na si Hailey. And eating blueberries.
That's how good it was. The best
Ito yung normal, naging morning person dito dahil hindi ko rin ma-figure out yung oras ni Hailey.
Perfect building. You. Yes, the perfect tenant. Okay, I think we both deserve a drink. Honestly, I can't.
Nahihirapan akong ayusin yung oras niya kasi medyo nadidisorient din ako sa oras. So mukhang wala naman na rin akong tulugan ngayon. Gising na ako ng 4:30. Tapos magkita kami nung friend ko mamaya mga 10 a.m. Puntahan niya ako dito. Tapos labas kami. Ninang siya ni Hailey. And she wants to see Hailey. Kaya lalabas kami. And then, yun. Wala naman yatang plans pa. Sobrang chill lang talaga. And I'll talk to you later. Wait. Are you a dog? Reese's. Kumakain ka niyan?
Please.
Say please.
Ingay, please.
Oh, good boy. Say please.
Binigyan ako.
Sabi niya, ba't kaya nakakuha yun?
Say please. Haley. Please? Please?
Kamot ulo.
Please. Say please. Sabi ko please. Eat. Eat. No? Just one. Later.
No, eat.
Eat daw.
Ha?
Eat! Dapat daw hindi ko pinapakinggan yung nanay niya. Dapat binibigyan daw siya ng isa.
Wow, ang galing mag-translate. Sabi niya, Tata, let's go.
Tata, ilalayo.
Let's hide. I'm hiding you.
Hindi ka iiyak ako pag di ka sa mama.
Doon daw kami kakain. Where?
Come. Come on. Saan niya kaya dadalhin?
Aakyat ata kami. Sa taas ata kami kakain. Para walang nag... Wow!
Ako, hindi mo daw yung Jeng.
No?
Takaw? Yeah? Uy, hindi pa tayo nagpa-picture.
Yung kaibigan ko, si Odessa, nagpinya colada with alcohol na yan. Pero ako, it's pineapple mint soda. And they have coloring for his.
Gising na eh.
Ano yan? Are you a dog? sinabing wavy dito, guys?
Ah, yung daanan. Pig. Piglet.
Mahina ang kalaban.
Ano na ang kalaban? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.